everyone, this is Kelvin, a lecturer from Expert Guides. Welcome to the Expert Guides Tutorial Services YouTube channel, and today's episode would be in mathematics, specifically geometry. So before we begin, I would like to further introduce myself. I am Kelvin Miguel, a graduate of Philippine Science High School and a Bachelor of Science in Metallurgical Engineering from UP Diliman. I placed third overall in the board licensure exams for metallurgical engineers. During my college years, I have been a member and held different positions for different student organizations. I'm also a multiple-time awardee of the Gawad Parangal sa Natatanging Mag-aaral Award. Moving on to our main topic for this episode, we first define what is geometry. According to Encyclopedia Britannica, geometry is the branch of mathematics concerned with the shape of individual objects, spatial relationships among various objects, and the properties of surrounding space. It is relevant in a way that it practices critical thinking and analysis, and it is directly applicable in real-life contexts, especially in STEM concepts. So, how is geometry conceptualized in the real world? We actually see geometry everywhere, and its concepts have been applied by the first human civilizations, from the pyramids in Egypt that serve as tombs for ancient pharaohs, to the Louvre Pyramid in Paris that signifies the appreciation of art and beauty in the modern world. Some might even say that geometry transported early humans to modernity by the invention of the circular wheel, and how the study of shapes brought us to the skies and eventually to the moon and beyond. Indeed, geometry has played an important role in modern society, from the beautiful architecture of buildings that serve as our homes, the symmetry of bridges that connect us, and even to the smallest detail of coins that we use as our daily currency. Geometry is fully integrated into our lives. But where does it all start? Geometry starts at its simplest building blocks. The point is a geometric element that has 0 dimensions. The point shown in the slide is denoted as point A. Extending that point along a straight path would give us a line. As shown in the slide, the line formed can be denoted as line AB or line BA. A line segment is a part of a line that contains every point on the line between its endpoints. The line segment shown on the right is denoted as line segment AB or line segment BA. Another variation of a line is called a ray, where one point is an endpoint and the opposite is extended infinitely. The ray shown is denoted as ray AB, noting that the notation starts with the fixed endpoint only. The last building block is the plane. It is a flat surface that extends to infinity. The plane shown on the slide can be named plane ABDC or ACDB. Alternatively, if points are present in a plane, the plane can be named with the points as long as there's a minimum of 3 distinct and non-collinear points. The plane shown can be denoted as plane EFG. So what are the calculations we can do in geometry? In this example, we are given a line and we are tasked to measure 2 line segments that are parts of the line. Line segment AB is given as 3x plus 1 centimeters. Line segment BC is given as 4x minus 2 centimeters. and line segment AC has a measurement of 48 centimeters. Since points A, B, C are collinear, we can say that line segment AB summed with line segment BC would be equivalent to line segment AC. In algebraic terms, we can set up this equation. And then through algebraic methods, we can solve for x. And eventually, input that value to the expressions of each line segment. We can finally get the measurement of both. This is only one of the multiple mathematical problems involved in geometry. So that's the brief introduction of geometry and a simple example on the mathematical solutions involving geometrical problems. Please consider giving the video a like, subscribe for the content, and tune in the next episode for more fun and exciting topics that can help enrich your knowledge in geometry or help you understand problems that you may encounter in your exams or academic work. Please do check out our Facebook page at facebook.com/expertguidesreviewcenter Katipunan for announcements and other information. If you have questions or inquiries, please do not hesitate to reach out on our given contact information. Have a great day and see you next time!